In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a downloadable product to your e-commerce website. Coming up. This is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. This tutorial is part of the WooCommerce series, and I will link all the series in the description down below so that you can check them out. So in this very tutorial, I'll show you how to add a downloadable product to your e-commerce website. Let's get started. So I've already logged into my website. To add a new product, I'll point on new, then I click on product, or I go over to my dashboard, go to products, add new. So whichever way, they all take you to the same place. So I'll give my product a name. It's going to be an ebook. So I'll say ebook colon diverse journal of computer and information sciences. Oops, information is wrongly spelled. We don't have informations. Then product description. I have a dummy text here, so I'll just copy and paste. I'll make a beautiful paragraph here. That's great. So under product data, it's just going to be a simple product, and it's also going to be a virtual product so that I will not provide shipping. So if I click on virtual here, shipping will go off. And then it's going to be a downloadable product. So I set my regular price to be 10. Then under sale price, I can enter 7 to tell my clients that, hey, this is the regular price of my ebook, but I want to give it to you at 7. But I don't want to do that. I just want them to buy it at £10. Under downloadable files, I add file. Then file name, I'll go up and grab the name of my file. I right click, paste. Now if I have the URL to my file, I can just put it in here, but I don't have it yet. So I'll choose file, upload files, select files, show all files. Then I have my ebook in here. I'll select it, open. It is uploaded, so I insert, and now the URL is inserted. Now in here, I'll enter download limit. How many times should the client download it when they purchase the product? I can say 10 times, or I'll leave it blank for unlimited re-downloads. Download expiry. Maybe it should expire after 100 days or 99 days. I go to product short description. Learn how to publish in the diverse journal of computer and information sciences. That is great. I scroll up. I'll add a category, so I click on add new category under product categories. So it's an ebook, so I'll say ebooks. I'm not going to add it to a parent category. It's going to be a main category on its own. So I click on add new category. Then I go down, product tags. I'll enter some tags. This is very good for search engine optimization. So I'll say ebooks, enter. You can enter as many as you want, but I just want to enter one. I go down, product image, I set product image. I click on upload files, select files, show all files. Then I grab the image to my ebook, open. Image uploaded, set product image. Then I scroll up, publish. Product published. I feed the product. And there it is. Okay, so this is the short description I provided. And this is the main description. My clients can go in here to submit reviews, and they should give me 5 stars because I've done well producing this video for them. And then quantity, my clients can increase the quantity and add to cart. But this is just an ebook. When they download it, it will be there forever. There's not going to be wear and tear such that you say that my ebook has been worn out, I need to get a new one of the same ebook. So I will make it in such a way that they will not be able to increase the quantity. So I go back to edit product. I scroll down, click on inventory, and then I check sold individually. So meaning this will allow one of these products to be bought in a single order. So I update. Product updated. I view the products. And now they can only add to cart and not increase the quantity. So that is that on how to add a downloadable product to your e-commerce website. That is if you are using WordPress. I hope you found value. If you do, click the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video just like this one on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Until then, peace.